Hey guys, it's Average Cuber. Today we're going to be unboxing the Rubik Speed. Let's get started. Now, first looks at the box. It kind of looks like a GAN box, like you got the 11M Pro or the 13 in. So first looks, this feels very plasticky, unlike an Apple box per se. It has some dents in it. Now first looks at the box. What you come is the actual Rubik's Cube. Let me put that out. It comes in like a cardboard area. Is there anything else in the box? Doesn't look like there's anything else in the box. As we get over to the cube, you can see it has like a tiled look. These are not stickers, so you will not be able to pull them off. If you look right here, if you look right there, I don't know if you can see it on camera, but there's like these little indents in front of the center caps. Can you pull the center caps off? Yeah, so you can pull the center caps off to tension it from the inside. So let's see how she turns. Okay, so that's expectable. Feels a little blocky, which I mean is expectable from a Rubik's Cube, like a Rubik's brand Rubik's Cube. Let's compare it to my main, the N356 XS. As you look at the tiles, as you can tell, these are stickers. These are like tiles. They have this sort of curved look to them that this does, but if you look at the corners right here, they come to a square, but these ones round off, which is weird. It feels very dry. I definitely need to lube it up. Yeah, let's test the corner cutting. Yeah, so definitely not 45. Yeah, so it's definitely struggling at the corner cutting. I mean, it makes sense, it's a Rubik's Cube. Now, would I say it's worth it? Considering the price that I got this for, $25, and the price you can get like a MoU, just like a cheap MoU budget cube, I would go with the MoU path compared to the Rubik's Speed. But if this is your only option, this is a pretty good starter cube. Thanks for watching to the end. Don't forget to like and subscribe, it really helps out. See you next time. Bye.